Hey, it's Felix here, and I am back in the studio. And today I want to talk about three big benefits, and these are surprising benefits of the carnivore diet. So I didn't start the carnivore diet because of these benefits, but they have just come along the way as a massive bonus. And a very interesting thing is that I haven't really seen anyone else being on some other sort of diet talk about these benefits. So I would say that these are carnivore specific. And for the first benefit, I want to tell you the backstory. So I was at this summer job this summer, and I was working in a bank in customer service, serving business customers, and it was a very interesting job in a way because you get to talk with a lot of business people, and I was in a group with a lot of other people, and we were just we were working basically alone, taking calls, being on the phone all the time. A pretty rough job for most people. A month into the job, we were having this group meeting where basically the whole team, came together and talked about the job. How has the experience been? What has been the challenges? How is everyone feeling? How is everyone doing? Do we have any tips? And in my team, basically everyone was kind of negative towards the job. I noticed everyone was kind of complaining that, oh, the customers, they're very rude, they're very negative, it's very stressing. I get home and I'm just tired after work. And personally, in that moment, I thought that, yeah, it's true that like the customers are pretty negative. They are pretty rude. They can be screaming on the phone to you and stuff. It's a customer service job, as you can think. But somehow I didn't react negatively to it. And in that moment, when everyone was complaining, it hit me that, oh, I'm actually, I really didn't think about it. I really didn't think that it was something negative about the customers being rude and negative, and I didn't think the job as being very stressful. And in that moment, it hit me that in the past, I would have 100% thought the same thing as everyone else. I would have been very reactive. I would have felt that it was very stressful. And in that moment, I couldn't figure it out because I thought to myself, how is it possible that everyone else is reacting this way? And I hadn't even been meditating because I used to meditate quite a lot, but I hadn't. I stopped for the summer. Really no reason for it, but I had been on the carnivore diet at that point for around 1 month on a strict carnivore diet, and I thought to myself, it's really my diet. It's my diet that is doing this, and because I'm feeding my brain and my body the nutrients it needs, and I'm functioning as I should, my brain is actually working like it should. Instead of being very reactive to my reality, I take in the information, I take in everything, and I kind of have a filter, and in that way, I can respond instead of just being reactive. And that was amazing. I think that the carnivore diet, that this is one of the biggest benefits that came as a surprise to me, that your mental health improves so much when you actually start carnivore. And this is very true for other parts of life as well. Like everything right now, I don't really feel that stressed out anymore. I don't feel anxiety. I don't really care what other people think. And if someone says something negative to me, for example, in the comments, there's always, when I make carnivore content like this, there's always someone in the comments who is talking bunch of BS and saying just negative things towards me. But it really doesn't affect me. It's like having the filter. So I get a negative comment or someone tells me something negative, and I can take it in. I can think about it, and instead of just reacting, getting emotional, I'm so much more stable. I can take it in. I can think about it, and I will think about an answer and then respond to it. So instead of reacting, I'm responding, and this is amazing benefit of the carnivore diet. And just for fun, if you compare this mindset towards, for example, the vegan diet, it's the complete opposite because I've never seen a very calm vegan. If you start talking with vegans, you start arguing or whatever, they will always get very emotional. And I think it might be because of they're not getting enough B12 or whatever. But when you're on a carnivore, you can just take in the information. you can think about it logically and then respond to it. That is absolutely fantastic. And the second big surprising benefit is improved digestion. And because in the past, I used to have really bad bloating, I used to have a lot of gas, I used to fart quite a lot. And to be honest, I used to be that guy who had really bad farts. I'm not sure, was it due to me eating a lot of protein powder or whatever. I think it was just a combination of eating lots of processed food, lots of carbs. And even it was like a week ago, my friend, there was some sort of smell. And my friend, he just straight up asked me, "Hey Felix, have you eaten something bad today? Have you farted?" And of course, I just looked at him and said, "No, man, I'm a carnivore. I don't fart anymore." Because being on the carnivore diet, it took a while for me to notice this because I was so used to having being bloated, having gas and stuff. But then, a few weeks in, of course, in the beginning, I had some digestive issues. But when you overcome the transitioning phase, after that, it really improves. And today, I don't think about it. I can't remember in the last months, I can't remember a single time when I would have been in a place where I'm kind of holding in a fart, or I feel that I'm bloated, or I have some gas in my stomach. I can't remember a single time. And today there is nothing about digestion that I have a problem with. And another very interesting extra point is also that you don't need to pee that often. Your body, it feels like my body just works so well. And it's amazing all of these small different benefits that you get. And especially for people talking about fiber, about your gut microbiome and stuff, try out the carnivore diet. You really don't need fiber. This is a myth that, you can experience for yourself. 1 month on the carnivore diet and you will have most probably you will have zero digestive problems and you are not eating any fiber. It's just amazing how much better your body works when you cut off all the bull crap and you don't eat any fiber. It's truly unbelievable. So the last benefit that really came as a bonus is improved dental health. And it's pretty logical that your dental health will improve with the carnivore diet, even though if people tell you, "Oh, you will not get enough vitamin C, you will get scurvy, your teeth will fall off." But it's amazing how much your teeth and your dental health improves. Everything from your gums to your teeth, how they feel, how they smell, everything. It's amazing. And it makes sense because you're cutting out all sugar and all your bad bacteria in your mouth is really living on sugar. It's the same with cancer, for example. You're not feeding your bacteria, you're not feeding the bad bacteria, you're not feeding the bad cells, and you're only giving your body the nutrients it needs. So it makes total sense that your dental health will be a lot better. And I have a friend, Emil, who also started the carnivore diet 3 weeks ago. Yesterday, he told me the same thing. Like, my teeth, they feel so fresh. I don't even need to brush my teeth and they feel fresh. And I said to him, like, yeah, I've had totally the same experience. In the past, if I didn't brush my teeth like 2 times a day, I would have very bad breath and I would feel that they are dirty. But now, like sometimes, I can admit it, sometimes I forget to brush my teeth because they feel so fresh all the time. So improve dental health, just another benefit when you cut out all the sugar. But these are just my takes. These are the most surprising and the biggest bonuses that I've gotten with carnivore. And it's amazing. Like, the longer you go on carnivore, the more benefits it seems to pop out here and there. So please comment down below your experience. What different benefits have you seen on carnivore diet that surprised you? Because I went on the carnivore diet, to reduce brain fog and to really improve my health, my energy levels and stuff. But you get all these bonuses, so it really makes you more motivated to just keep with and stick with carnivore. And it feels really good to be on a proper human diet. Alright, but that will be it for today. Really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you want to see more carnivore content like this. And as always, eat meat, take care, and have an amazing rest of your day. Goodbye.